Discover with Dave Parker, sponsored by East Coast Appliance.
Digging a hole on the side of a gravel road to lay eggs just inches from car tires doesn't seem to be a good idea. But it's here where drivers are on the lookout, yet so are possums and raccoons, which love to eat turtle eggs. Here is the Great Dismal Swamp National Wildlife Refuge. Covering over 100,000 acres between Virginia and North Carolina, this is a place where humans once found shelter, then destroyed much of it. It has now been set aside from humanity, yet still welcomes it. It's a place where cell service can go quiet in order to hear this. But this place is huge, so where to begin?
Well, that is kind of a tough answer. It depends on what you want to do. But really, basically, we're standing here at our headquarters.
Yeah.
If you can't get the information you need off the internet, you want to come to the headquarters, talk with one of the fabulous staff that we have here to get oriented, depending on what you want to do, how much time you have, and what you want to see.
To explore the refuge, you have a few options. By foot, there are several short boardwalk trails, but the longest is 3/4 of a mile, one way. If you really want to get your steps in, there's a 4.5-mile walking and biking trail, also one way, that will take you to the centerpiece, Lake Drummond, one of only 2 natural lakes in Virginia. There's boating, kayaking, and fishing on the lake. As far as camping, the Army Corps of Engineers allows camping adjacent to Lake Drummond. The most popular excursion here is a several-mile drive to that natural lake, where you'll find a pier, boat ramp, and great views. This unique place, in both name and setting, is where nature can thrive while we just stop by for a visit. In Suffolk, I'm Dave Parker.
See the full series at WTKR.com/discovered.